What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Just got this super cool 1977 Chevrolet Suburban. This is the K10, meaning it is a 4x4 truck. See that axle up front there? Freaking sweet truck. When you just look at it, just can't help but drop your jaw. Interior super clean. Previous owner had the entire, both air conditioning systems rebuilt. So it's blowing ice cold in the front as well as the back. Obviously has power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front, running 35-inch tires with bullet wheels. It's our Nexus. Cool mud tire for sure. Great look on this truck. Love the two-tone. Love the interior. Quick peek there. Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful condition on the wood grain, door panels. That's what makes this truck so special. Really well cared for. Seats are amazing. Family cruiser, obviously. Perfect thing over here at Grayton Beach. If you get the beach pass this year, dang, that truck would be cool out there. Obviously we ship nationwide as well, so if you're out of the state of Florida or our area, we can handle that for you, no problem. Hopping on inside here, got lots of room in the back. These are leaf springs for the rear. If you want to put it up a little bit, sagging a little bit right now, but got a spare tire. So this is where that rear air conditioning system is. Also has brand new speakers back here. Look how clean the doors are. Very nice. Do have the 2-inch receiver hitch there. Nice chrome bumper in the back. A little bit of attitude right there. So rear seats. Lots of room, lots of leg room. Still same. Door panel still in beautiful condition. Factory tag there. So up here, got tilt wheel right here. Fire right up. Over here, got your rear air conditioning system, and you got the front air conditioning system. Rear window as well. Both systems blowing. Got that butter smooth power steer. Radio working here. Find the radio station. Building kind of blocks everything in this metal building. Got kick panel speakers down there. Man, she's running good. Let's take a look under the hood. So it's a 400 motor V8. See their compressor clutch on there. New master cylinder. Running like a beauty. All right. Lots of other classics as well as golf carts. Let's get this out of the shop, go for a test drive. All right, pulling the Suburban out of the shop here. What a dream ride. Going ice cold. icy, icy cold. It's the way I like my AC. Yeah, I mean, this is a daily driver. So somebody that wants to daily drive, old school, automatic, put your wife in it, go pick the kids up from school, take them to the beach, hit the lake, pick up the boat. That's what Suburbans still do. Here we go. Sitting high for sure. Sitting high for sure. We're way up here. Speedo working like it should. Looks like a little slow. We're definitely going more than 25. May need to be calibrated with them bigger tires. Different gear in it. Real smooth on the road, real quiet. Suspension real quiet. Really nice truck. So I think that's what you're paying for. Something that's ready. Don't have to do anything to it. Anyway, y'all, this is Josh from Drive the Coast. We do have nationwide shipping and financing available. If I was choosing between a new truck and an old truck, there's no decision there. This thing is ready. Thanks for watching, y'all. See ya. Just did want to do a quick video of the radio working. That metal building in the shop really blocks everything, but got new speakers. Like it.